Hi everybody, today I thought we'd have a look at one of our new demonstrators here on the new Transporter. This is Rob's vehicle that he uses from here, and we've sent it off to Leighton Vans and they've put a kit together for us and put some things on the vehicle for us. So we're going to take you through those today and see how it's been transformed from a standard one, which is next to us over here, to this we've got on here. So let's have a look at the front end first. Very subtly, the only real difference on the front end is the lower skirt at the bottom here. So the front spoiler we can see down at the bottom, it's on there. The rest of it's pretty much standard there at the front. But as we moved around to the side, there's a few things this vehicle has got extras. So one thing I'll point out first off, it's got the factory roof rails that's on the top on the vehicle as well, so that just add a bit to it. And then they've gone and put this side skirt on. You can see the side skirt here at the bottom. So this is an addition that's on the side. And let's not forget the wheels, because this is where the big difference are. 20-inch alloy wheels in the gloss black, look really nice. If you take a step back and have a look at the side profile of the vehicle, this is where it really shows off. We've got our black spoiler down at the front there, our black wheels coming down to the side bars down here at the side rails at the top, back onto the wheels, and then the same around the back of the vehicle. And you can see from in here we've got the addition there that's in the back. And I have to say, I really do like the look of the back of the vehicle when it's got all these things on. So obviously we've got this like rear diffuser, I think you would call it, with our little things on here, obviously, that comes on here. We've got a carbon fibre bumper protector, and then we've got the top rear spoiler. Optional extra from the factory with these as well is obviously it's got the upgraded design of headlights around the back that's here as well, so we can see which has been colour coded here, and just gives the rear of the vehicle and the tailgate that slightly different look. Now, just in case you didn't know what it was, obviously we've got the big VW badge and then Transporter in big letters across the back as well. Everything inside here is factory standard that we put in there, so there is a few extras in there. So it has got the bulkhead with the material on it, which is nice, just adds a bit more to the cab, and it's also as well got the style interior. So you'll see here, for example, rather than just being plastic, we've got the metal effect dash on here. This is all gloss black around here as well, and we can see where we've got the silver chrome inserts as well that's here. Got them on the door bits as well. This covers it, and it just brightens the interior ever so much on the front of it, so you know you're in a different type of vehicle. Obviously this is the van version, and the van version comes standard with 3 seats in, so we've got a captain's chair here with our armrest that's in here, and then we've got our 2 seats next to us here. We've got a pull down tray to put things on if you want to, that's there, and we've got our clever storage underneath here as well, so we can pull these up and just look at the amount of storage under there. Huge amount of storage if you need to. You want to keep things out of the way of prying eyes, that's there as well. Let us know what you think in the comments box below, comparing this to the standard vehicle. I mean, the wheels alone, wheels do make a van, and you've heard me say this lots and lots of times. Regardless of what it is, whether it's a California, whether it's a Transporter, for example, having the right wheels on there, I think, transforms the way a vehicle looks, and it certainly does with this. And I think with the front lower spoiler, the rear, I'm in love with the rear. I think it just looks great. It's in there, it's big, it's bold. That's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. This is Rob's new demonstrator. He's very kindly let us have a look around it and show you all the good features that's there as well. He sent it off to Leighton Vans, so big shout out to Leighton Vans. Thank you very much for putting the kit on it. So if you enjoyed today's content, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.